Look what's turned up today. Very excited. StraightBox is here. It's time to start my journey with Straight Teeth Direct. Let's have a look at what we've got. First 2 months of aligners. I've got to start with the 1As. Nice little case to carry, so I take them out when I go for a meal, which can be interesting. Regenerate, ideal. This is one of the reasons I love Straight Teeth Direct. So you can be at work and get a delivery like this. You're looking at £1,300 for straight teeth, which is just crazy, 70% of what you're going to pay somewhere else. You don't have to go and spend thousands and go to the dentist. So Straight Teeth Direct's amazing when you can just go onto an app and order this. Try them on and see how we feel these fit. Just like that. And they're just clear as anything. I haven't got a thuckertash lisp going on or anything, so that's good. All good. Body smells good. I like it.